teach 4 different welding processes here, and they're the 4 manual welding processes that you will be doing in the field: TIG, MIG, stick, and flux. And with those, they'll be doing a various of different tests, different projects they will actually see in the field.
We go to different field trips where these guys can see everything they're learning in the welding lab. It's the same thing they're going to be doing when they go to a welding shop. So I just love seeing the smile on their face when they realize I'm in school for a year, but what I'm learning in school is what I'm actually going to be doing in the field.
Because they can pass it here, they can pass it in the field, and they can get them a job and start their career.
Everybody was very warm and welcoming, and it was something I was kind of concerned with getting into the trades. I'm a mom, I've got 2 young kids. It was just so welcoming. Everybody made me feel at home. It was really nice.
I get a wide range of ages from 17 to maybe 60. Not everything that we're doing, but majority of everything that we're doing here is definitely changing them. And it's changing me as well as an instructor and as a person.
I'm ready to join the field and get my career started and going for better opportunities in life. I'm ready. I'm real ready.